question number 11. In question number 11, we will be doing smoothing feedback ratings, detecting outliers, and understanding data smoothing methods. So these techniques help us clean noisy data and make analysis more accurate, especially when working with student feedback or survey results. So let's get started. So what is data smoothing? Data often contains random variation of noise. So data smoothing helps remove that noise so that pattern becomes clearer and easier to analyze. So one common method of smoothing is called binning, and today we will use bin min smoothing. So bin min smoothing, let's take a set of sorted feedback retics. Now our goal is to smooth these values using bin mean with a bin min depth of 3. Create bins. We divided the value into three groups: 13, 15, 16, 19, 20, 22, and 21, 22, 24, and so on. So the last bin has only value because the data ended. So calculate the mean for each bin. For example, 13 plus 15 plus 16 by 3. We are taking the mean, so it is 14.67. So on. We will be calculating the mean of every bin value. So this process is called bin smoothing. So the next, let's talk about the detecting. Uh, so next, let's talk about the detecting outliers. So now outliers are values that are much higher or lower than the rest of the data. For example, if the most feedback ratings are around 20 to 40 and one rating is 70, that may be outliers. So here are some ways to detect outliers. Uh, the box plot rule, the Z-score method, and the visual methods and domain rule. So the box plot rule, anything below Q5, 1.5 into IQR is considered an outlier. In Z-score method, if a value is more than 3 standard deviation away from the mean, it may be an outlier. In visual method, histogram, scatter plot, or box plot, if a point stands far away from others, it is an outlier. If rating are supposed to be between 1 and 10 and some enters 50 to 0, it is clearly invalid, so it is the domain rule. So now let's move on to the methods of data smoothing. The data smoothing can be done in several ways, not just binding. Here are some common methods: bin smoothing, bin mean. In bin smoothing, we have bin mean, bin median, bin boundary. And second is moving average. Each value is replaced by the average of nearby values. Third is regression smoothing. If a straight line or curve to the data. Clustering based smoothing, group similar values, then replace points with cluster average. And the fifth is lowest, a local regression method that creates very smooth curves. This method help reveal trend that raw data may hide. So to summarize, we smoothed feedback rating using bin. We learned how to detect outliers, and we explored several important data smoothing techniques. These methods improve data quality and make analyze more reliable. If you found this video informative, hit like, share, and subscribe. And for more data analytical content, please be on my YouTube channel. So that's it for the question number 11th. We will be covering question number 12 in the another video.